This is Greg Wood with JBT Power Tech Talks. Today we're going to talk about lawnmower blades. Very important to keep a good lawnmower blade because one, a dull blade will actually tear the grass, and an uneven blade like this one that's missing pieces will actually cause vibrations and be very hard on your spindle and will crack your deck eventually. Most manufacturers recommend you sharpen your blade every 8 hours, which is very important so it's cutting the grass and not tearing. I'm going to show you a couple examples of different blades that we offer here at JBT. This is what's called a standard lift blade. Notice the little wing on the back that helps pull the grass up as it cuts it. You've got a long cutting surface, and again, you want to keep that sharp. So this is great if you're doing side discharge or just bagging. It's a great blade for bagging. Another blade that we have here is called the mulch blade. Notice the two levels, heights of the different cutting edge. This is great for keeping the grass in the vorticity of the blade and cutting it into smaller pieces, which is what you want when you're mulching. So this is a great blade when you're just mowing grass and want to mulch it. In the fall, I like this blade. It's called a Gator Blade. Notice these teeth on the back. It's a much more aggressive blade. This is a great blade for mulching up leaves and something I think a lot of people should use in the fall. Whether you're bagging or just mulching, it's a good blade. Anyway, remember, keep your blade sharp. Make sure you change them often so they stay balanced, and keep your lawnmower clean all year long. This is Greg Wood with JBT Power Tech Talks.